Action News Now Storm Tracker weather. Coverage you can count on.
Warm and clear outside right now. In fact, so warm it looks like the snow is melting out on Mount Lassen, I believe it is.
Or Mount Shasta.
Is it Mount
I'm
Shasta?
guessing that's what that is. Close enough, but
yeah, one of the two. One of the two.
it's looking a lot different. Chief Meteorologist Jason Siff joins us now with the forecast.
Yeah, we had a lot more of the mountainside covered with snow just about a week and a half, 2 weeks ago, but with all the sunshine, the lack of additional mountain snow, and all of the warmth that we have had, we are getting a lot of bare spots, and we don't want that to happen. And we don't really have a good chance for any additional rain or snow. What we are going to have, though, above average temperatures going forward, and we're going to have some more wind. Speaking of which, we're way above average right now. Look at this. Redding, Red Bluff, and Oroville all at 94 degrees. It's 93 in Chico and Corning. Even Weaverville is 90 at 79 degrees. Pretty toasty for Mount Shasta itself, and 82 degrees for Bernie. Everybody between 5 and 10 degrees warmer than just 24 hours ago as advertised. A big boost to those temperatures with that strong ridge of high pressure that I've been telling you about since last week. So it's centered right over California right now, but it is going to get pushed out of the way by a couple different troughs of low pressure. That will give us a weather pattern change. You're going to like part of that change and probably not like another part. We'll have increasing clouds. Either way, that's just fine. We do expect cooler weather, but with that cold frontal passage, it also means gustier wind coming out of the southwest. That will usher in some of the relatively cool air, but instead of being in the 90s, we'll just be in the 80s, which is still warmer than average. That wind, though, is not going to be our friend. Then we have more wind in the forecast for Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Could be a little bit stronger than Thursday and Friday. So don't do any burning. We don't have any fire weather watches or red flag warnings yet, but we're probably going to have some issued as we get through the next several days because that wind is going to get stronger. So for tomorrow afternoon, all that wind gusting between 25 and 35 miles an hour area wide, slightly stronger for many areas Friday. And again, I think it's going to be even stronger than that as we move into Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. So tomorrow, if you want to do some golfing, we're going to have some nice weather for that. Not quite as hot as today. By the mid-afternoon, lower 80s, but it will be gusty, so make sure you account for that as you're sitting on the tee box. Here's the forecast for tomorrow. We're going to have a mostly sunny sky. It'll be a little bit gusty, and it'll certainly be cooler. Highs mainly in the 70s for the northern mountains. Just don't do any burning because that will be increasing our fire danger with that stronger wind. For the southern Cascades and the northern Sierra, also a comfortable night and a warm day tomorrow. Highs are going to be in the 70s area-wide from 72 in Mineral to 77 degrees in Quincy. Also 77 degrees for a high in Paradise, 75 for Magalia, 68 degrees for Butte Meadows, and 73 degrees for Forest Ranch. For the valley tonight, also a mostly clear sky, not too much wind yet, but that wind will pick up. It'll be cooler tomorrow. Say goodbye to the 93 and 94 degree temperatures, mid to upper 80s for Thursday afternoon with some gusty wind. At Chico area, mid to upper 50s tonight, lower to mid 80s tomorrow. Probably one of the cooler days that we're going to have for a while. We'll go 1 degree cooler than that on Friday in Chico. Then we rise right back up to the upper 80s and lower 90s, and there's a lot more wind in that forecast than we really want, both for Chico and for Redding. For the Redding area, we'll have highs in the mid to upper 80s by Saturday, Sunday, into Monday, and then lower 90s early next week.